Yes, I put their head on my son because it's very hot. For fever, Robert G. Yeah, it's very hot. That's why I put the one on my son because he have fever. It's very hot all body and ear. It's very hot for fever. Do you have cold pack? No. I only use ice, cold ice pack. No, I buy in the I buy a little store. Ice pack. Then I put a towel in ice pack for all over the body to rub on the body of my son. It's very